Hi, good morning. Welcome everyone to Wealth Wizards. This is Jagdish Chandran sharing the three stocks with interesting chart setups to focus on for short term to medium term portfolio. The first stock that I am going to discuss is on Tata Motors. The Tata Motors is excellently placed with 4 months of consolidation and is in a bull trend. The second stock that we are going to discuss is on Asian Paints. Asian Paints on a daily chart has seen a good consolidation and is ready for a breakout above 3100 zones. The third stock that we are going to discuss is Kotak Bank. The Kotak Bank on a daily chart has seen a good consolidation and also signaling a bottoming out formation and is excellently placed for short term to medium term portfolio. That's all for now. Thank you. Happy investing and safe trading. Take care.